Hi. Bloom Dead Sea Gift Enterprise established in Jordan in 1993, producing high quality of natural Dead Sea products, different types of products for face, for body, for foot, and etc. We produce different lines for the clients, normal end consumers, for hotels, for spas, as well as gifts for all occasions. Bloom products variety of around 162 items. It's very natural, healthy, based on the natural minerals from the Dead Sea that are very essential for any skin to renew the normal circular building of the skin cells. Bloom products won different awards and certified properly as premises, as products like GMP, ISO 9000, ISO 22716, many other organic certificate, and so on. We are very, very, very proud of the testimonials coming from our clients as they love the products. There are many products, many loyal clients worldwide. We export to 42 countries recently, and we hope to expand our markets in the recent countries as well as new countries. I hope everybody enjoy the Bloom quality everywhere, and we are here to serve you anytime. Our nice experience with GS1 started since the time we had the first barcode, which was a real new start for the company, being recognized internationally with our barcodes for all countries, for all products internationally is a very important thing on the issue, on the business issues. Why? Because people need verification, people need to know to trust the product. So that's why our registration and our barcodes are always our identity, let's say, for the products worldwide. It makes it easier to be verified internationally, as I mentioned. Thanks to the GS1 and to the team as well. Thank you.